Hi guys, in front of me is POCO M5 and let me show you how to clear browsing data here. So at first open the browser that you are using, then click on more icon and select history. Here click on clear browsing data and you will find basic and advanced options. So under basic you can see browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And then under advanced you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So just manage it however you like. You can unmark something if you wish to stay with it so it is not removed, and then just pick the time range. Finally click on clear data, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.